How to delete your watch history on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, as you see here, you will just go down on profile. Open your profile, then go to this three line here, and then go down to settings and privacy. Then go to watch history, and here this is your watch history. For example, I will delete this. I will just click more than 2 seconds, then I will click delete, and like this you will delete like what you want of your watch history. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.